Back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. You build a stunning application into the Lovable, but you want this to be actual theme for your WordPress site. So it's just a single page and actual site. So nowadays here for example, this is an actual website that we have generated. We can use the theme converters to translate Lovable React components into the WordPress PHP structures. Let's see what we can do and export from Lovable. So first, you need your actual code. If you haven't already get your actual code, what you need to do, of course, is to sync your Lovable project to a GitHub repository. So to do this element, for example, you wanted to go for the Lovable dashboard, which usually appears into the upper section. Let's go for the actual dashboard, and here we want to go for the GitHub synced, which usually appears down here. So I'm gonna go all my way down. If you don't find this, what you can do is to go for the actual settings, go for GitHub, connect the actual GitHub. In this case, I'm going to go exactly with the same account that I'm going to be using for the Lovable to make this process a little bit much more faster. Now, you wanted to download out the code, the repository code, as a zip file. Since I have already now this element here, inside you will see the standard React file structure, fine for a web application where WordPress doesn't know what to do with this yet. So you can find the actual project. Here is my YouTube channel element. I have my AutoCAD, for example, to select my actual element and download out this as an actual zip file to make this process much more faster. So we needed to convert these components into the standard style CSS and index.WordPress understands, right? So usually we can highlight the CRS and the dist folders. Now the magic conversion, the fastest way to use the Lovable to WordPress converter tool is by opening a new tab and go for Lovable to WordPress.online. Now this is a really easily way. What you need to do is just now to hit for get access, and you can upload in here your zip file. The artificial intelligence will analyze your React component and generate an actual WordPress child theme. What's happening here is that the AI is flattening the React code and wrapping it to the WordPress hooks. It even creates a function PHP to handle your actual styles. Now, if you want a pro result, you can open the folder into the cursor. You can ask the AI to replace your static Lovable menus with the dynamic WordPress menus. This allows you to change your menus item inside the WordPress dashboard later, but you want to make sure that the Lovable to WordPress online actually works into your computer. Nowadays, I believe that there's only a few beta spots available and have access for up to 5 domains. The only problem is that sometimes the Lovable is not available into all the countries, so you might want to make sure that this one is available and ready yet. If you are available to get started into Lovable, what you can do is to make the installation and the testing. What basically we just need to do is to zip your final folder and upload it directly into your WordPress. By doing this, for example, is to focus into your P dashboard, look out for the option that says appearances, look out for the option that says theme, and inside the actual element that says theme, you wanted to upload here your zip file. Once activated, your site will look exactly like your Lovable project, but with the WordPress administrator bar at the actual top. This might be a little bit confusing to use, but this is one way that how you can actually use this to get started directly from Lovable directly into the WordPress.